You wake up to a headline, "Parent arrested, family in crisis." Your chest tightens, your phone is blowing up, and the first thought is, I could lose my kids. That feeling lands like a punch. Stay with me for a minute.
Hey, I'm Danny, and this is Danny's Den. Let's chat. Today, I want to calm that panic and give you 5 clear corrections to common family law myths, plus exact things to say when your heart is racing. No legal deep dive, just straight, usable lines and next steps you can remember. First, when an arrest happens, people assume custody is gone. I get it. Arrest sounds permanent. But courts don't automatically yank kids because of a charge. What matters is present safety and patterns of behavior, not the drama of a headline. Judges look for real risk, protective orders, convictions, and the child's best interest today.
If you or someone you know is charged, here's a one-line script to lower the temperature and protect time with the child. I have a legal matter I'm addressing. I remain committed to our child's routine and safety. Let's list any concerns and agree on temporary details until this is resolved. Short, steady, kid first. And a quick action. Document dates, times, and who has the child during any incidents. Disappearing or hiding looks worse than being transparent. Show up for the routine. Courts notice that. Another confusion I hear all the time is about primary custody. People use that word like it gives total decision power. It doesn't. Primary usually means where the child sleeps most nights. Decision-making authority about school or medical care is a separate question. When decisions come up, try a short cooperative frame that makes you look reasonable if you ever need to show you tried. I want what's best for Jamie. Can we pick 3 options and decide together by Thursday? That shows effort, creates a timeline, and keeps the record tidy. Tiny tactic. Follow up important talks with a short text summarizing the agreement. 1 sentence. That gives you documentation without drama.
Let's talk about social media. Don't assume your posts are invisible to a courtroom. Screenshots of fights, photos that suggest neglect, or messages that seem insulting can be used as evidence. Treat public posting like a statement you'd explain under oath.
3 quick rules. Pause before you post, tighten privacy settings, and remove anything that could be misread. If you want a single line to send a co-parent about boundaries, try, "For the kids' privacy, can we avoid posting bedtime or school incident photos without checking each other first?" Calm and child-centered wins every time. Okay. Dating. This myth is dramatic. People think a new relationship automatically ruins custody. It doesn't. Courts look for stability and safety. A respectful partner who respects boundaries is rarely a problem. A chaotic situation is. Timing matters too. Don't put kids into repeated awkward encounters with new partners right away. If a new person will be at a kid event, keep the intro short and low-key. "Hi, I'm Danny. This is Alex. Nice to meet you." No backstory, no oversharing. If the co-parent worries, listen and offer a simple compromise. Fewer joint events at first, or shorter visits until everyone adjusts. Now, something that gets people into real trouble: withholding visitation as punishment. That can trigger contempt motions and emergency hearings. Courts don't like parents unilaterally denying time, especially court-ordered time. It's risky and usually backfires. Instead, keep consequences inside your parenting time. Short, enforceable privileges you control at home, or a written agreement both homes use. If you genuinely believe a child is unsafe, document why and consult a lawyer immediately about emergency relief. Don't play referee with court orders. And here's a one-line response for a heated moment when someone suggests skipping the other parent's time. "I can't stop scheduled visits, but I'm happy to work on consistent consequences we both use. Let's write them down today." That moves things from reaction to plan. Quick tie-in. Sports day. Picture an Eagles game or the Yankees at the park. Excitement spikes. People drink more. Tempers flare. Same principle applies. Set specific boundaries ahead of time. Say, "If you take Sam to the game, can we agree on arrival and a halftime check-in text?" Simple, concrete, and it keeps the kids centered in the fun. And a tiny tool I use with stressed clients. 5 minutes of steady music. Put on a slow R&B track that helps your breathing slow. It sounds small, but calming music helps you avoid knee-jerk choices that escalate legal fights.
Let's pull this into a quick checklist you can memorize. 1. Document facts. Dates, times, texts. 2. Communicate briefly and child-centered. Use short scripts so you don't get pulled into drama. 3. When safety is a real concern, seek legal advice early. Those 3 moves keep you steadier than panic ever will.
A couple of real talk safety notes. This episode is general information, not legal advice for your specific case. If you have a legal question about your situation, contact a licensed family law attorney or local legal aid. If emotions are raw right now and you feel unsafe, pause and call local emergency services or a support hotline in your area.
Before we go, one last memorably short script for headlines and panics. I know this looks alarming. I'm handling a legal matter and committed to our child's safety and routine. Let's agree on temporary arrangements while this is sorted. Keep that line in your pocket. Thanks for spending these 10 minutes with me. If you'd like a topic busted next week, social posts, school disputes, or kids in sports, send a DM through the show's channels or use the contact form on the show page to request it. And if you found this useful, please subscribe so you won't miss the next weekly mix of law, love, sports, and music. Let's chat.